Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna practice front parking. Front parking is so important. During your exam time, G2 or G, examiner is gonna ask you to do front parking. So in the parking lot, your speed is always around 15 to 20. Check your blind spot. So I'm looking for the one reference point here. Okay, so you're away from 2 meters away from the parking spot. So you give your left signal. You're checking your surrounding, especially left side for oncoming side as well. So your what's your reference point is? Your reference point is your mirror line up with the yellow line. Align with the yellow line. So parking with this slow distance, slow movement. You don't need to use your gas pedal. If you are moving, no need to use your gas pedal. So full left, all the way left. So when you're gonna turn the wheel back, that's so important, guys. So when you are in, so I am in. So I am in now. So I turn full left. So when I'm gonna turn the wheel back, when I'm in, 1.5 turn back. So I don't need to turn full back to the right. Just straighten the wheel. Then move up a little bit. Don't use your gas pedal. Your foot ready on the brake. Then park. Then handbrake. Thank you for watching. Please watch this video a couple times and you will get it. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.